In this video, guys, I would like to speak about Dunder methods in OOP. What does it mean? Dunder methods, it's an abbreviation for double underscore. So every Dunder methods, they have two underscores before and two underscores behind. And here is the name. So this is only the example of one of Dunder method. And I would like to show you how does it work. And after that, we will understand the rest of them. So now I would like to show you the basic idea behind Dunder methods. So I would like to create a class point. And in this class point, I would like to show you what does it mean, this special Dunder method. And after that, in the next videos, we will speak about the rest of them. So class point means this: if you have a point, so I would like to create a constructor, it means underscore underscore init underscore underscore. And here I need a self, like always, and usually point has two numbers, correct? X and Y. And here I would like to call it like self.x is equal to x, and self.y is equal to y. So it means this x is this x, so, and I will call it the name of the object dot x, and this y is this y, and I will call it the name of the object dot y. So now I would like to create an object like this, and I will call it p1, and it's up to you. And here will be a point, and the point needs to have these two numbers. So we spoke about that now I call the constructor here automatically. So the special method, and here I need to put two numbers. The first number is x, it's a 3, and the second is y, and it's 4. So now if I want to, I can print p1.x and p1.epsilon. So it means here I have self x, it's a p1.x, and self.y is equal to y, and here I can call it. Okay, so we spoke about this in the previous videos. So now if I will run it, you can see 3 and 4. Okay, perfect. So now what was the point of this Dunder method? What is it about? So if you will call something like this, p1.x plus p1.y. So what does it mean? If I will run it, you can see the number 7, correct? And it makes sense because it's a 3 plus 4, okay? And the result is 7. Perfect. But you can do something like this. So you can take one object, or we can have two objects. It's up to you. But here we have only one object, and I will call it like this: p1 plus p1. And what does it mean? If I will run it, you can see that we have nothing here. Okay, so nothing special. So we have an error. Okay, it makes sense, right? Because p1 is object and p1 is object as well. So it's an object plus object, and it doesn't make sense. But if you put the plus sign here, so we will call the add method automatically. Python call it. So add method, if you see the plus sign, it's information for the Python call add method, and the add method take this and make a plus this. So if you want, you can change it. Okay, so if you want, you can make a method, and needs to be called underscore underscore add underscore underscore, and you can rewrite it, you can change it, you can do whatever you want. So here in this brackets, you need to have two things, because add means plus sign, and with the plus sign there are two things, right? The first plus the second, and the first will be self and the second will be other. And now it's up to you what will do. So I would like to return self.x, so it means it will be p1.x, and it's 3, and here, for example, I will change it. I will try to change it to multiply. Okay, it doesn't make sense, but I can do it. So multiply other is this second object, and again, for in our situation it's p1, and now dot y. Okay, like this. And now if I will run it, so you can see you have 12. So it means this means p1 is self, p1 is other. From the p1 take me x, it's 3. From the other it's p1 as well, take me y. It's 4. So it's this means it will call this method automatically, this Dunder method, special method add, and you can change it. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so if you want to make something more normal, we can say, so it means if you write something like this, so please return me the sum of the coordinates or the points, or how we can say it, these numbers 3 and 4. So if I will run it, okay, again 7. There was some small mistake. Perfect. So now if you want, for example, we can create a second. Okay, it will be 10 10 20, for example. So if I put p2 here, so what will be the result? The result will be 23. Why? Because p1 is self, and p1.x is what? 3. Okay, so this is 3, and p2 is other, so the other epsilon is what? Is 20. So 3 plus 20, it's 23, correct? So guys, I hope that now understand what Dunder methods means. So there are special methods which are called behind our program, and you can play with it. So you can say, okay, for me it's important that you need to sum something here, something what is important, and if I will give you something like this, so you will call this. Okay, and you can do whatever you want here. So I hope, guys, that you understand.